Hey everybody, this is Bill Jager. I am trying something new, and I hope you like what you see today. But this is a video version of the Monday Mail that I typically send out. I just wanted to do something that is maybe a little more interesting, a little more personal, and so hope you like it. I'd love to know your feedback either way. So. Um, we're going to continue to try and work on this and get better at it as we go. So I just wanted to just kind of do a video presentation of a LinkedIn post that I sent out, and I also did it for the some of the neighbors here on Facebook. But it's been a crazy week with in Texas anyway, with the amount of snow and ice and complications from all that most folks in Texas aren't used to. So lots of questions coming up about can I can I get this paid for by insurance? Is there a deductible? Is there not? Just lots of different questions, which is really interesting. You don't really you don't really see that sort of concern obviously until something goes wrong. So we just want to make sure that everybody's kind of on the same page. The State Insurance Commission actually sent out a really nice summary, and so I'm just going to go through that with you today. So anyway, hope you had a decent week. Hope you're having if you're in Texas, you're safe and pretty much out of harm's way, and and we'll get right into it. So winter wreaks havoc, and tips to help deal with insurance in especially in snowstorms and weather-related events. Um, as you can see, insurance tips following winter storms. If your home was damaged due to water, broken water pipe, downed tree limbs, other winter damage. The first thing I want everybody to understand is that when you're working with clients, or if it's yourself, make sure you contact your insurance company or your agent to find out, how to file a claim, and a lot of times you can actually do this with apps, from your insurance company, or the glove box app that you have, or that clients have that we work with at Colorado Insurance. But you can read this yourself, but I'll go through just kind of the highlights. Make a list of damaged property. Make sure you take pictures and video and kind of document as much as you can. Take steps to protect your home from further damage. Obviously, turn off the water when you can, and cover broken windows, holes in the roof, all that good stuff. Try to be there when the insurance company comes to inspect the damage. It's probably going to take a while for that to happen, but you want to make sure that you're able to be there when inspectors come. Keep a list of all the folks that you do talk to, as including your insurance company, but also contractors. And what's great about most homeowners insurance policies is that if you are put out by something like damage to the home from storms, you're covered for living expenses. So you're covered to help you pay for living expenses away from your house as things get fixed and back to normal. So if you're not, or if somebody has questions on whether they have that kind of coverage, again, contact your agent, or you can contact me, and I'm happy to help you. But the other half of this is we want to make sure that everybody is aware of avoiding fraud as much as possible. That means getting more than one bid, checking references and phone numbers. You don't pay up front for any kind of work until the job is finished. You avoid contractors who offer to waive deductibles, and you never sign a contract with blank spaces. And anything that goes against those sort of ideas and rules, we want to make sure that that kind of activity gets reported. So if you have any questions, if you have anything that concerns you, or clients have any questions as it relates to this, we want to make sure that that you or your clients are insured to the best the best level possible, and obviously get the service and the price that kind of coincides with that. If there's anything I can do to help answer questions, if this kind of stuff has come up with anybody, please let me know. And you can see here my phone number, 469-859-1477. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and we'll try and improve as we go forward. All right? Have a great week, and thanks so much.